Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CS channel and back to artificial intelligence tutorial. This is a tutorial for helpful for learn the basics of artificial intelligence and so on deeply also step by step. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful to uh, attend the competitive exams like UGC NET and so on. So next upcoming video definitely I explain this sorry for inconvenience. I definitely explain this discuss about the syllabus based on the 2019 UGC NET. Today we are going to see the topic called Introduction to Problem Solving in Artificial Intelligence as well as State Space Search. So these are the important area in computer science engineering. So in the I hope that you understand what is previous sessions I explained what is artificial intelligence, the beginning of AI with the help of Alan Turing. The test happened in the year of 1957 and so on, and followed by why we need AI today, and also what contributes AI, and also what are the applications of AI, and also subsets of AI with real-time examples. You know today robotics are very important, and today they play a major role in the industry of computer science engineering the worldwide as well as manufacturing industry as well as real time example you can say COVID-19. Today COVID-19 this is a fight with human, but even though some robotics also doing the giving treatment, giving groceries or some food, some treatment also some abroad countries treatment to the medical doctor robots will be there. These are giving treatment to the patients also. So let's save the human lives from these diseases, pandemic diseases. Let's go for session today. So whenever for artificial intelligence, what we are going to get and learn day by day means machines can think like human. For finding the answer is artificial intelligence. Why I am reading this is very important. So here we have to see the topic now. State space search. So first you get idea what is state space search means. It's a process used in the field of computer science, including the AI, in which successive configurations or states of an instance are considered with the intention of finding a goal state with a desired property. And one more thing is that according to computer science, a problem solving is a part of artificial intelligence. So remember, problem solving is one of the integral part of the AI's concept, and also which encompasses a number of techniques such as algorithms, heuristic to solve a problem. Here the problems are often modeled as a state space, a set of states that a problem can be in. And come to the real-time example, there are whenever these problem solving concept introduced in the year of 1967 and so on. AI is a combination of all the topic, all the subject, and not only computer science engineering. So here state space search means you can say simply what the thing is start the process. Suppose you want to starting from somewhere and you want to reach the goal means start action and result. Remember start the process. If you want to find solution for any problem, start the work, do the action, at last find the result. You remember SA comma result, SA comma GR result, like that. Start, do the action, record action, how many number of operations you want to steps you want to do it, at last get the result, like that. Then the problem solving real time example can say there are games today we are see TikTok and so many things helped with the help of AI only. Sudoku is there, 8 queen problem is there, 8% problem is there, something is there, like that. Many problems will be there. So here problem solving generally where you see means in a game such as Sudoku can be an example. You can say it can be done by building on artificially intelligent system to solve that particular problem. And also to do this, one need to define the problem statements first and then generating the solution by keeping the conditions in mind. So remember the real time you want, suppose you are playing chess, what is that means you should know the rules and regulation. So you get sometime somewhat you can say some hypothetical or some situation come, you have to think and advise. Similarly computer also to manage, suppose if you use Sudoku or some game something, you can set the conditions and first define the problem statement, then give the solution. Based on that one, the computer react and give the results. Any complicated task can do it with the help of AI only. Here now the thing here now is problem searching. So in general, searching means what referred to as finding information one need. So you are going to find some information, and what information you have to find, that you have that is the meaning of searching. And also it most commonly used technique of problem solving in artificial intelligence. And also the problems, the searching help algorithm help us to search for solution for a particular problem. So if you go for AI, I already told you, we have to go for so many algorithms. Based on the algorithm only you can find the solutions easily here. So particular solution, if you want particular problem you want to solve, you can get the solution with the help of searching algorithm in the problem searching part. Then problem, here the problems are the issues which comes across any system. A solution is need to be solved that particular problem. Now steps to solve problem using artificial intelligence. So whenever problem solving, you need some steps. The process of solving a problem consists of 5 steps. These are called before seeing this defining we see the diagram here. There are, remember, if you want to solve any problem, game oriented or game application or whatever, then we have to follow these steps only. First one, defining the problem. Next one, analyzing the problem. And third one, identification solutions, and choosing the solution, at last implementation. So here you can find the identification also as well as choosing the solution. So which which answer should be suitable for the given program. Like that you can given problem, like that you can select at last implementation. So here I explain here, defining the problem was the definition of the problem must be included precisely. So it should be contain the possible initial as well as final situations which should result in acceptable solution. Moreover, analyzing the problem, here analyzing the problem and its requirement must be done as few features can have immense impact on the resulting solution. Then identification solution, here this space generates reasonable amount of solutions to the given problem in a particular range. Choosing a solution from all the identified solutions, the best solution is chosen based on the results produced by the respective solutions. At last implementation, after choosing the best solution, its implementation is done. So what you can say means, let's go for tie problem, 8 puzzle problem, you understand better way. So generally AI is the one major work where we can develop the AI concept, expert systems, NLP, natural language processing, and so on. Remember, so whenever have any complicated problem arises, we can apply the problem solution and problem searching and implementation. You can get the results. So here you can get some set of results from the solution. You can choose which one is easy to implement, like that. So now let's say assume that you have tie problem. We have 8 puzzle problem, tie problem. In the part of the tie problem, we have 8 puzzle problem. Before going this one 3 into 3 matrix, let's see the diagram here. So this is the diagram, start and goal state. Let's assume that we have a start state here somewhere in the, we have to do the arrangement. Goal state we have to make arrangement of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So starting stage it should be not in order. So what happens means, let's go for some points here. Here we have 3 into 3 matrix with movable tiles numbered from 1 to 8 with a blank space. Now the task is, starting you have to do, but at the end of the goal you have to get the numbers in order 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. So here the tile adjacent to the block space can slide into that space, and also the objective is what, to reach a specified goal similar to the goal state as shown in the below figure. And also in the figure our task is what, convert the current state into goal state by sliding digits into the blank space. So there will be 4 options is there. We can do the options called operations called upward, downward, left and right here. So it's the start gate if you want goal state, and also moreover the AI finds the solution as soon as very fast. Let's upcoming sessions we can go for better way and get ideas about the algorithm. So this way here, what are steps means we can so first step what happened, the one will be there. So first you can shift this 5 here, first step. Sorry, we can shift 3 here. Then what happened, you can 8 move here. And next step you can do the actions upward, downward and so on. After that we can select where is here empty means you can draw the 5 here and keep on, you can do 5-6 steps. At last in the computer do everything, you can get the answer of goal state, reach the goal state, and also we will get the perfect solution in the puzzle problem 3 into 3 matrix. So we will get the answer goal state 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The blank space will be here, is not mandatory here. So we can do upward, downward and left. So these are the things you have to know about the 8 puzzle problem. So you can apply in many various TikTok and somewhere you can apply, because today all are computer oriented only. So we are the human, no need to nothing, just interact and enjoy the online games also and so on. So I hope that you understand today what are the state space search and what is meant by problem solving, and how to implement the problem solving with the help of artificial intelligence and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment, and support for our Postbox channel, and stay connected with the social media. Thank you.